So once you've opened your sheet and typed everything, you're going to come to insert. Then here you're going to insert checkbox like that. Then you can actually extrapolate downwards up to the last cell there, like that. So what you're going to do now is that you can mark any. So the only thing that you want to do is to input a function that actually comments. So we are going to say the function is going to be equal to if function. So open the brackets. So if this one C5 equals true, comma, then what you're going to comment is going to be complete. So remember, you actually have to open the quotation marks and close once the comment is typed, then separate it using a comma, and then open another quotation mark and say in progress. And then close the quotation mark and close the bracket and just click on enter. So we are actually going to extrapolate the formula that we've input here up to the last cells. So let me undo that. So up to this point, like that. So what you're going to do is click on any of that and it's going to comment automatically that it's complete. So that is actually how you can achieve that. So remember to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel and follow